Hey guys, I got my April boxy charm. Let's check it out. I went ahead and pre-opened it. And here it says boxy charm. You know, just the typical stuff there. Ooh, we're bulging at the seams here. Oh no! I lost things. Just a second. Alright, well, we'll get started with those things we lost then, right? It looks like I've got in a body grovia, I think that's how it's said. And it is a eye pencil. Oh my goodness. And they're not lying, it's a pencil. No roll up here. I feel like we went back in time. Let's see. That's on my hand, sorry. That's a pretty color. I do like that. It's kind of a gold. It's got like a little bit of a goldy sheen to it. And then I have an artist couture. Let's see. I'm going to tear the box apart. Trying to get it open here. Alright. It's in the shade Purple Dream. I've seen a lot of people have gotten the Purple Dream shade. And I went ahead and pre-opened this one and pulled off, tried to pull off this pill seal thing on the inside, but I cannot get it off. Does anybody have any ideas on how to get that off? Let me know, because there's a lot of it left behind. It's a really pretty color. Let me swatch that with my finger. Ooh, that's really pretty. I can see the purpley sheen to that. I'm excited to try that out. Wish the seal wasn't so hard to get off. And then we got brushes. We've got a large shader, a small shader, and then a contour brush. Sorry about the cough. I've got some sinus stuff going on. Oh my gosh. I would open it and show you if it would let me. Oh my gosh. Oh, goodness. From what I've seen so far, I think all the Luxie brushes are pink. Let me know below if they do other colors, because everyone I've gotten from them has been pink, which, not complaining, I think it's their signature. They're really pretty. They're soft. I feel like they would work great. I'm always excited to get new brushes, because if you're like me, you forget to clean your brushes. I am definitely that person. And then we've got the lip gloss. Peel gloss. And let's see, it's in holographic. I don't know. It's just a clear gloss. Not real impressed with that. Not a big fan of gloss. See. Man. Yeah. I could live without it. It's not no big deal to me. I was hoping to get another liquid lipstick. But I guess a gloss is better than nothing. This is only my second box. So I might have to go in and play with it a little bit and see if I can get them to know that I like liquid lipsticks, but not gloss. We'll try. See if I can get this box open here. The one thing I did not think to pre-open. There we go. This is from Pure Pure palette here. Oh, it is a face primer. Sorry, reflective packets. You know, reflective packets and your lights don't work so good together. All right, now we're gonna get into the palette itself. I've seen somewhere where somebody had gotten theirs and it looked like someone had already pre-touched it. Let's check ours out. Here are the colors. I still have my seal on there. And so far so good. Nothing looks messed with. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells good. Sorry, it just smelled really good. Got some pretty colors. Never used glitter on my eyelids. It's going to be a new one for me. I'm excited to try these. And then let's see. Of course, you know they're the first ones I go for. Guess we'll just swatch across my arm like this. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. There's gold flakes in that. That's insane. That is very pigmented. All right, and then here's the gold one. You guys, these are amazing. Check this out. Sorry, I know I'm a little too excited. Most people will be like, it's just another palette. Not me. And they're so creamy and smooth. Check this out, guys. Sorry, I got carried away with the color there. We're going to go into this one. Look at how pigmented. I love it. Can you guys see the pigment on these? These are great. Okay, I'm going to do this pink one. I have zero pink eyeshadow. Oh my god, that is hecka pink. That's crazy. I don't even know how to wear pink eyeshadow. Gonna have to watch some tutorials. Hey, if you guys know any down below, throw them in my comments box so I can check them out. Look at that one. They're so pretty. I don't know if I have enough arm space for all these colors, so I've still got 6 more to go. And look, I'm already covered here. I guess we can rotate to this side for the last 6. So I'm going to go straight down the row here. Right like this. This purple is the one I was excited about, and it doesn't seem to be as pigmented. Oh, you can build it though. Let me build that up, that purple one. Okay, you can really build up the purple. I like that. We'll go to the one right below the purple there. There's that row. I went straight down here. I have to find my wipes and wipe my fingers off. We're going to get different colors than what the colors really are. Hold on, guys. Wipe that off and do my last ones here. I really like this top one. This one would be a great transition shade. Look at that. It's so reflective. I love that. And here's the next one. And then here's that dark brown. Ooh, this is really dark. This is not in my comfort zone. that I definitely would use as a, right in your crease line. So here's the pure palette, and I'm loving it. And mine did not look contaminated at all, which is great. But literally, I'd watched somebody else's, and they literally, it looked like a fingerprint on the palette. Oh, it was crazy. So that is everything in the box, and I'm madly loving it so far. This is only my second box, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. When I get to 20 subscribers, I'm going to do a small giveaway of some makeup products. So I will catch you guys next time. Hey, leave down below how your day is, and I will read your comments, and I will reply to them. So I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.